The Wangala dance is led by the warrior dancer Makbul. This is Napchenga. The Wangala dancers enter the grandeur responding to the call of the drum.
Yakini State University la play Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma hagi jingan lang Deputy Speaker Kendor Bartawan Kejelau Timothy Dishira Menteri Ketenak Pulih Putih Rakam Sangma Kiameli Kebakentup Sanje Sangma Yan Botham Ke Sangma Subir Marak Sengchem Marak Jim Sangma Limeson Sangma Marthan Sangma ka Vice Chancellor jangka Captain Williamson Sangma State University ka Professor Vasanthi Vijaya Kumar bat kibai-kibai ka Sarkar Jela kala menjur hak senam arajar kat pra banchna ya kini ka State University ka bakot kanrio point kendain ro klur tengka bat gijing tei jong kini ka skolba ala play ha ukla lengkot ka senam arajar arpulai ka University Grants Commission kala itu ya ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University kat kum ka kendon 2F jong ka UGC Act ka kendai sepasan pun rio lengbak syiti ka balapa ka hendreu terik uno opera arhajar arpusau habakran ka jengelang Menteri Rangba ulang balapalat san posnem ka jelakam syamladon yala ka jong ka skolba kumta ka jingseng ya ka skolba bapniat hi dak sarkar jela ka jing pensisya ka jing syamkhya jong ka sarkar ban kentiu ya ki kam penroi bedai bat ka Pulih Putih Ukonrad Kongkal Sangma ulang bakani ke skolba kan omdai tang haka kerteng ndrei ka jing kular ka jing kermen ka jing kiu syaprang jong pat ba ka jela ulapan benaru bagi sarkar kan sepenkha saya ke Shillong campus jong ke skolba ka penyerap hagwan pensuk ya ke jing terekam bat kumjur iksamla Pulih hari lom khasi bajantia Menteri Rangba ulang bagani ke skolba kan sedang terekam nadu menta bat baru ki college ka jela kila ban penyeso bat kania ka State University ban pentikna bagi samla Pulih kin om dan kamsyu banikun ya ka CUET bat ka CUET kan terekam tang hi ki college ki bab penyeso bat ke skolba Nehu
burden on us, and we are slowly and steadily entangling the knots. Yes, we may have to take some tough calls. You've seen the problem right in front of you, and I'll be happy to share this with with all of you and with the public at large, and I will be doing it very soon in a much more broader way. But these are the things that we face. But I'm on a positive note after coming out from all these negative things. Because, to be frank, this is what we keep seeing every day. So it's not something new for us. But I'm sure it's an eye-opener for a lot of you that you didn't realize what is happening in education and why it is so difficult for us to transform things in a matter of seconds or days or months or years also. Because there's a lot of legacy issues which need a lot of time to be taken. We cannot simply strike out, saying that no more grants to be given. There's 1,000 crores of grants we give every year. That's enough for me to put up more than, 200 new building schools, maybe 300 building schools with full infrastructure everywhere. But that's the kind of challenge that we face, and we're moving forward with it. But I just wanted to leave you behind with this small thought. Apart from that, I also want to share with you that a lot of positive aspects of development are happening in our state. I know this is politics, and so people prefer to look at the negative more than the positive. We may talk about all the 4,000 kilometers of roads that we have made, but in today's social media time, one pothole picture is enough to say, what about this road? What about this pothole? And that's the nature of governance and the nature of politics today in this world. But I just want to tell you that in the last 7 years, this government has literally invested in infrastructure like no other government in the past. And we've seen the results of this at the grassroots level, at cities, at towns. Things are moving forward. We have huge challenges which will continue to be there. We are not saying that we can change everything in one go, but we are in the right direction. This university today being launched, I'm sure there will be some people who will criticize for this also. But as I say, we are not the kind who will be bogged down by criticism. There's a reason why our education minister was named Rakham, because he just doesn't care. Whoever may say whatever, he will continue to work towards achieving his goal. And therefore, friends, I seek your blessings. I seek your support. I seek your cooperation. We don't mind being criticized in the positive sense. But I fail to understand when there are criticisms for the sake of criticism. This university is starting from a humble beginning. We have miles to go. Every journey starts with a step. If we start thinking about why we should not have a large campus and hundreds of colleges, I guess we will never start. We start with the beginning and with the first step, but with a determination that we will complete the journey. We will take this university and our state forward. That is the commitment that I would like to give to each one of you. That is a commitment that every single team member present out here will give you.